DJ.
What up, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are good, and if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, guys. As you can see behind me, just the standard 1.4 Golf, guys, just the standard 1.4 Golf. Stay tuned, guys, stay tuned. Guys, as you can see, it's just the standard 1.4 Golf, guys, just the standard 1.4 Golf, guys, 1.4 velocity, just the standard 1.4 Golf. Is it? Or is it? Here's a bit of a clue, guys. It's standard. Just the stock 1.4. Just the stock clean velocity. Like, guys, you can't go wrong with like the velocity of rims on a Golf, guys. But look at this standard quotation marks. Standard 1.4 Golf, guys. Clean. Check out the turbo. Comment down below if it's standard. just a clean velocity, guys. Still a 1.4. Like, guys, I'm joking, it's not a 1.4 anymore, 20 valve, but who would know, guys?